Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Let me give you a quick overview of this bookshelf, how fast it takes to put together, and some specs on it that might be important to you. And this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you tell us how fast you can put this thing together and kind of what you think? But in no way whatsoever this being provided to me affect this review because I am just here to keep it real. So this comes in a whole bunch of different pieces. The total assembly time, I would say, is about 10 minutes. It does not come with a screwdriver, but in this example, I put it together with a drill. You do not need a drill, just a basic small Phillips screwdriver will work just fine. All the holes are pre-drilled except for the casters on the bottom, but the way this material is set up, it is very easy to screw them in by hand. Again, total assembly time is about 10 minutes or so. From a dimensions, the depth of it is about 9.5 inches deep. The width is about 15.75 inch, and the total height with casters on is right at about 29 inches. The bookshelf inside area is just right about 15 inches, and you kind of get the depth there as well. The material is very lightweight, has these plastic casters on the bottom. I would say from a bookshelf weight standpoint, this is not something you would want to put a whole bunch of heavy books. It is constructed, when you put it together, you'll realize it's definitely lightweight. It seems solid. This is not solid wood, and I don't know if it's, the material is not like a PVC hard plastic. It's something a little bit different, just making it allows it to be light and easy to assemble. But I would say probably not something that's going to hold like a significant amount of weight, but it definitely can hold books, no problemo. But from a nice compact something, maybe in a kid's room or somewhere where you're going to need, a nice tight area. The white finish on it is sort of a matte white, and yeah, so pretty nice, compact, convenient. Hope this answers any question you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.